Hi everybody, welcome back to Tabletop Parents. It's Jessica Senesac. Today I'm going to teach you guys the first steps on how to teach your child to write. Before we begin, please click the subscribe button below and that will help me create more videos like this for you. Remember to check us out at tabletopteachingllc.com. There's lots of articles, lessons, and videos there for you. So let's get into what our topic is today, which is teaching your child to write. Now, this is the starting place for you and your child. Ages 3 to 5 is what it's geared towards, and it comes with an awesome dry erase marker. So what I love about this is that it's not a consumable. It's something you can work in again and again and again. Just erase it. All the pages are like that laminate materials, and you start off with just lines. Now, lines are an essential part of writing letters, and I love that the first page starts you off on lines. And there's a parent's guide in here for you. Now, we do have an article about this topic in particular. If you want to check it out, it is in the description below, and a link to this awesome activity. I want you guys to go ahead and enjoy all the things this book has to offer. Your child's going to be excited when they draw their favorite things. It has a little something for every child and their interests, everything from trains to trucks to butterflies. So whatever your child is interested in, this book will hopefully have that for them. I think that it will. My child got through the entire book in one night, and there is a lot of pages, like a lot. Not to mention my child loves to run around and scream and hates sitting still, so this book is awesome. So the next thing that you need to remember is 2 fingers and a thumb. Whether they're left-handed or right-handed, encourage them to write with the hand they feel most comfortable with, the one that they use to eat with, the one that they use to throw with, the majority of the time. Get your child started by creating little trace lines for them with chalk, or you can do it on your own sheet of paper. Get them to do circles and lines first, and then move on to things like squares and triangles. And then you can move on to different workbooks, and I will be coming out with my recommendations for the best workbooks for tracing, including our own activities. You can find at tabletopteachingllc.com. There are some awesome homeschooling and preschool activities and kindergarten activities in there for you when you click on parents. So there are free printable tracing your letters activities, but that's really the next step after this. So focus on lines and circles and drawing shapes that they want to draw, practicing holding and writing with that pen, like getting this down, whether they're left-handed or right-handed, and getting them comfortable holding a pen, pencil, marker, everything like this instead of like this. That's your first step in teaching your child to write. If you like this video, please like, share, comment, subscribe, all of the things. Ask me questions in the comments below. Click the red bell and tune in next week. Thanks, guys.